Working of single mode step index optical fiber. Single mode means the core diameter is small, which is in the range of 5 micrometers only. That's why only one path is available. That mode is called single mode. Step index means throughout the core, the refractive index of core is constant and goes towards the cladding. There is a step change in the refractive index. So that's why this is known as step index. Already we know. So in optical fibers, we are sending information in the form of pulses through light mode. Based on total internal reflection, we are getting output. If the output is matches with the input signal, then there is no dispersion. So what is meant by dispersion means, if the output signal may be flattened or widened or causes any deviation in the output signal, then the output signal never matches with the input signal. That is called dispersion. Intermodal dispersion, simply dispersion. So here in the case of single mode, the input signal is lodged in the form of light. The light is launched in this way. Here the light suffers total internal reflections and the output comes like this. So the output signal is always matched with the input signal. So that's why there is no interdispersion. Modal dispersion takes place. So come to this. The key points are, in case of single mode, only one mode is available. Always the output matches with the input. So there is no overlapping of signals because we are sending only one signal at a time. So that's why there is no overlapping of signals. If there is no overlapping, there is no dispersion takes place. So there is no overlapping of signals takes place. That is, there is no dispersion. Next one, there is one more important point. The information transmission capacity in optical fibers is inversely proportional to dispersion. So dispersion means the deviation of information. If there exists deviation in that information, the transmission capacity decreases. So that means if the dispersion increases, the transmission capacity decreases. So in case of single mode optical fibers, there is no overlapping of signals because we are sending only one signal at a time. That's why no signal overlaps with each other. So there is no dispersion. So the transmission capacity is more. So because of that, these fibers are used in the long range communication because without deviation, the information is carried out over a long distances using this single mode. So that's why single mode optical fibers are used for long distances communications like telephone lines. So this is the working of single mode step index. Okay, clear?